What are we building today? Well, we're going to be making one of these. Not entirely sure of the design yet. I like these. There's the parts. Pretty simple, really. Here I'm just measuring off, just roughly seeing whether I would like a short handle or a long handle. And I'm sort of deciding that I'm going to go in between these two and sort of go for a medium handle with a flat-ended design. Just measuring roughly and cutting it and then fitting it between ends on the spindle using a spindle gouge, and then making sure that the cap fits. Just gently measuring and cutting, measuring and cutting. And then once I've done the first half, I just spin it around so I can access the back end of the handle. And here using a scraper, just getting a nice curve. And I'm using a wax-based sealant after I'm going to sand this. So here just doing some sanding on the lathe, and then manually sanding the flat bits. And here I've got the cloth dunked in that EEE U-Butte wax, and then I'm going to start up the lathe and spin to heat up that wax so that it goes into the wood. And once I've done the wax, then you buff it up just using paper towel. And I'm now going to drill the hole for the actual cut. And then once I've had the bottle opener, I'm just going to super glue it in there. And putting on my homemade sanding disc, I'm just going to sand the end of the bottle opener. And that is it.